Here's Daniel. We've got both directions. We'll see what works. Morgan.
I want to run with him to get his rocket.
Well, you can follow him, but it's his rocket. Let him go.
Okay.
Stay back here with me right now, okay? Morgan, stay back here. Oh, no, he's not in the way. Dave and I got both directions covered. Come here, Daniel.
Good job,
Come tell me about it, Daniel. I got you on video.
Okay.
Is that pretty cool?
Yeah, just it got all tangled up.
All right. What do you think, Matthew?
It got tangled.
Yeah, I got it.
Yay!